If you have big goals for yourself in your real estate career, we should talk. I'm Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group, and we're hiring right now. Our team covers all of San Diego County as well as South Riverside County. We've got 4 offices currently. We're in La Mesa, North Park, Carlsbad, and Temecula. And we're looking for agents that are hungry, humble, and smart that want to be a part of our team. Here at Whissel Realty Group, we have a culture of production. We are all about going out there and producing and selling as many homes as possible. Since Whissel Realty Group started, we have sold over 4,000 homes and are on track to sell over 600 homes here in 2023. We're built on 3 core components: systems, structure, and support. And support being one that we really hang our hat on. Let me tell you a little bit about some of the support you can expect to have here at Whissel Realty Group. Well, hey, we're shooting this video. I don't know if you know this, there's a green screen behind me. You probably see something else right now, but we have a killer media studio here in the office. Green screen, podcast, all kinds of fun stuff. We really pride ourselves on our media in putting out high quality content, and our team is gonna help support you to do the same thing. We have a concierge team here that's gonna help with a lot of the tasks that you're normally taking on yourself or having to pay an assistant to do for you. Things like writing your offers, scheduling your showings, updating your CRM. We've got a whole team here that's gonna take care of a lot of those tasks for you. We have a listing coordination and a transaction coordination team, so you don't have to spend a lot of your time on tedious tasks. You could stay focused on helping your clients and being there for them. Additionally, we have a killer program to help get you ramped up and into production. We have a 2-week training program that you're gonna go through to make sure that, one, you understand the real estate industry in case you're new to the industry, and make sure you understand all of the different technology, all the different systems that we use here at Whissel to make sure you know exactly how to use them to their fullest capabilities, ultimately to help you sell as many homes as possible. Kind of like a couple agents on our team, Adrian and Carly, who have been with our team roughly 2 years apiece now. In those 2 years, these two rock stars. These are the definition of hungry, humble, and smart. They have combined to do over $1.5 million in GCI. That's 2 people over 2 years, $1.5 million+ in GCI. So if this sounds like an opportunity that you are interested, we'd love to talk to you.